How to share a Google Calendar. So basically, if you would like to share a Google Calendar, it is very, very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply, first of all, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com. Then once you've done that, you want to log into your Google account, right? Now, if you want to share a certain calendar, on the left hand side, you can see My Calendars option there, where you can just click on the three dots next to a certain calendar you want to share, and click on this option that says Settings and Sharing. Once you go to Settings and Sharing, over here you'll find a couple of options. You want to scroll, and here you can choose to share with specific people or groups. If you only want to share with a few people, you can click on the Add option, add their email address, and you can share with them if you'd like. Otherwise, what you can also do is you can just make this available to public so that anyone with the link will be able to access the calendar. But this way, you'll be able to share Google Calendar. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial. And as always, see you soon in our next video.